What I eat in a day, Victoria Harbor. I ingested some ocean water. Salty. I don't really know how to explain what's going on today. It's called Red Bull Log Drivers. I'm gonna be participating in a massive log obstacle course that's floating on the waters. I'm here in Victoria, BC. I have never been to this part of the island before. I'd been to Tofino before. I flew in last night. I don't even know where to update you all. I don't know how, if I'm delirious or if I'm awake. I came straight from Rome, Italy, and then I flew to Calgary, had a layover, and then flew into Victoria. So I was up for like 24 hours. I didn't sleep on the plane. I'm feeling pretty good. I had a nice nap last night, but I am starving. Oh, WestJet did me so dirty. I had called them to let them know about my dietary restrictions, so I was hoping I could have like a vegan meal on the plane. And they're like, there's no meals in this plane. And I was like, what do you mean? This is like a 10+ hour flight. Like, you're not serving any meals. And I was flying economy. Like, I'm not expecting some like full 8-course meal situation. I always thought if it was anything longer than like a 7-hour flight or like an 8-hour flight, they had to do a meal. They're like, nope, no meals. So I said, okay, so you're telling me I'm not gonna get on this plane tomorrow and they're not gonna serve a hot meal to everyone and I'm gonna be the only one that can't eat anything. And they said, you're correct, there's no hot meals, no one in the economy, you can do it for purchase. So I was like, that seems weird, but like, okay, if that's how it is now, I don't know, whatever. And now we're into the flight, they start serving a hot meal and I was like, sir, why did I believe you? Why did I believe you? You know, I'm a vegan gal, I always have my snacks on me. So I really have been eating far too many Cliff Bars. Actually, there's never too many Cliff Bars. A Cliff Bar, honestly, I don't think I could be vegan without a Cliff Bar. I have found a cute little vegan, I guess it's not fully vegan, it's vegan friendly. A vegan friendly breakfast spot. I kind of wasn't worried. Whenever I come to Vancouver, I know I can eat vegan because I feel like they just get it out here. Although it is freezing. Italy was a heat wave. It was like 37 degrees every single day. I have never sweat more in my life. And I'm just doing a carry-on bag, so I had to make sure that what I brought to Italy also made sense to bring here. Thank God I bought this secondhand jacket at a consignment store because if I didn't have this, I think I'd be freezing. I am wearing flip-flops though. This is how ill-prepared I am. Got some weird outfits going on. Anyway, so I'm here with Red Bull, Slay. Fun fact, did you know Red Bull is vegan? And I do love me a Red Bull once in a while. So the actual reason that I'm here for, I don't know if this is gonna show it properly. It is like a wipeout style obstacle course, but it's logs floating on the water. And they're basically gonna send me down it and I'm probably gonna fall in the ocean. I don't know what else to say. There was really no way for me to prepare for this. It's gonna be so jokes. They're strapping like GoPros on my body. I actually don't even fully know what to expect. Like, that's what I've been told, but I really haven't asked many other questions. I think there's some other creators here for today, and then tomorrow is like the competitive competition with like the pro athletes doing it. So they're definitely gonna just show us up and it's gonna be insane. Okay, so here's my view. I got in last night, so I honestly didn't really even get to see everything. I think the harbor and the water is that way. Your girl is starving. I need some protein. I mean, hey, I love being in Italy. You can't get fresher food. And I have to say, I'm generally always pretty impressed whenever I'm in Europe. I feel like their menus are so great. They always have like all the different dietary and allergies on it, so it's pretty easy for me to navigate. But also, even if it's not a super vegan friendly restaurant, which I mean, I ate at like one actual vegan restaurant in Italy, but otherwise most places, if you ask for a dry pasta, they can do a pasta that doesn't have egg in it. Obviously don't get a fresh pasta. Oh my god, I have an egg allergy, I would die. So I was very specific about that. Most of the fresh bread is good. I wouldn't do a focaccia, or I would ask if you're gonna eat one of those, but luckily they always have a ton of grilled veg on the side. It's always cooked in olive oil, never any butter or dairy on it. I would ask about cheese for certain dishes, but they also always have like a roast potato or like a bean dish, which, you know, I love a bean. So I actually did eat pretty good. I would say maybe I am craving a little tofu moment. Okay, enough yapping. Let's go check out this restaurant. Oh, how can I start the what I eat in a day with what I actually started my day with? This is my little travel bag that's been in my backpack marinating for days. 2 Brazil nuts, you know it. And I've discovered I actually don't like this flavor of Cliff Bar. I kind of forgot about it. Chocolate almond fudge. I thought I would get it for variety because I always eat the peanut butter ones. And these, I can't eat any more of that flavor. Should have stuck to my classics, but I had 2 Brazil nuts this morning. I was gonna have a Cliff Bar, but I think it's more the fact that I've consumed one of those every single day for like 7 days straight. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go get food. So my best travel tip for staying on the correct time zone of where you're at is to eat on the time zone that you're going to. Like, I'm trying to eat on the regular hours of this time zone, so that way I stay awake for this time zone. Did I just make that sound a lot more confusing? Eat on the time zone you're in. That's what I'm trying to say. So I went to this place called Be Love last night. I got in at like 8 o'clock and I was like, I need fresh food. There's something about being on a plane that like, I need vegetable. So thankfully that place was open. So I literally went straight there and I ordered a salad and it was a massive bowl of salad, like the way that I like to eat a salad. I had tempeh on it. You know what? I think I have a little iPhone video. I think I took a clip. I'll insert that here. So good. I also had a chai. It was like their homemade kind of chai with like, I don't know if there was like mushroom reishi or something else in it. So good. It like nourished me, like nourished the soul in a way that I needed. You know what? The best part of my job is like getting to travel the world and see so many other parts of the world that I don't know if I would have ever gone to. Like I would have dreamed of going to, I just don't know if I would have been able to do it. Oh, and I think this is the harbor. This is the harbor that I'm going to be in a mere handful of hours. I've tried to explain this to so many people that I'm doing a log obstacle course race in Victoria. People are like, what? Why does this not surprise me? Nourish Cafe. Food just brings me so much joy. Oh, it's so cute. They had more like crunchy options, but the sandwich always wins. This looks insane. Do you want to be in my vlog? I'm filming a what I eat in a day. Good morning, good morning. Talking to my mom on FaceTime. Okay, breakfast was amazing. Going back to the hotel, I need to get glam. I gotta get glam. I wanna, you know what? I wanna be like ridiculously glam. Because I love the idea of like challenging this stereotype. Like I wanna go there and they're like, oh my God, this like beauty girl, she probably can't be sporty. And then I wanna like crush it. But then the thing is, I know. Everything's beautiful. The issue is though, Mom, if I get really glam and then I eat shit, then I'm just gonna reinforce the stereotype that like, you can't be athletic and be glam. So that was what I was gonna do. I was gonna go get like glam high pony on. Okay, glam is complete. Is this giving like, I'm gonna fall in the water? No, because there are no stereotypes to beauty. And we can look glam and we can be agile on the logs. I believe. Okay, we're gonna go meet up with the team. I don't even know who else is here. We're gonna go have a lunch and meet the competitors. And then I guess I just run the course. Oh my gosh. I'm excited, but also I have a feeling I am gonna get wet. Guys, these are all the logs that are gonna be what we're racing with. Okay, we've got the team. We're gonna go to lunch, but I'm starting to get a little stressed. I think I just have like been disassociating the whole time and I just...
Those logs they look forgiving. Look how like smooth they look. They just got waxed.
I'm like, maybe they're like anchored underneath or something, but apparently they roll quite a bit. So I'm definitely going in, but we'll see if the makeup's waterproof. Stay tuned.
Bald cap coming soon.
Oh, literally, you know it. My girl, I can't believe you made it from Italy. I feel great. I'm buzzing. Ooh, a vegan burger or a tofu taco. It's like I don't want to be too heavy.
Like I was gonna straight by knee pads. I was like,
what?
I was like, I'm sending.
No, because if you scrape your knee on the log, Loki's gonna.
Or if you fall, like I was thinking, look.
Guys, I haven't thought about a thing.
If you jump to the other log, there's like a giant.
Ignorance is bliss, baby. Okay, first Red Bull of the day. I'm filming a what I eat in a day. It's just Red Bull after Red Bull.
Literally.
Cheers!
And then we have to fly after. We're getting on the seaplane.
This is insane.
It's gonna be so fun.
Oh, I'm so pumped.
It's gonna be so fun, and everyone is going to be safe.
Yes. No one's suing Red Bull.
We didn't sign anything.
Actually, yeah, I didn't sign anything.
You're going to.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
And then Jaclyn versus Olivia.
Okay. I'm so scared.
East Coast West.
It is.
East Coast West Coast.
So these guys are doing like a footwear challenge.
Okay,
I want to live stream that, so I'll start.
So like that, I would say don't live stream that because we have to post that first on our channel.
Okay.
Yep.
This is good.
This is yummy too.
I'm so excited, guys. Oh, it is blowing out water. Okay, we're going on a little thrift shopping journey. Wow, this is just a spectacular view behind me right now. Liv and I were just reminiscing because we've been to Vancouver about 6 times together. We've been shredded into Pinot twice. So many memories. We're gonna do a little secondhand shop and then it's competition time. And that's vegan. Is that what the little V is beside it? Oh, I will do the copycat. That sounds great. They don't even feel like a coffee. These are so good
trying to
here.
make something fun. I'm like a hot coffee girl. What are you getting this coffee?
I'm doing the iced coffee, yeah.
Chilled
it's like coconut
coffee.
pistachio cold foam. Maybe having all this caffeine might be a bad idea. Gorge. Thank you. Oh, these look great. Do you want to try a sip of this foam? It's going to be like marshmallowy.
I do want to try the foam. Is it yummy?
It's like melted ice cream. Holy shit. I also just like never had cold foam because I was a vegan.
Coconut in there?
Coconut and pistachio.
That's really yummy. That foam is really good.
Wow, nothing says like not in Italy. Like cold foam iced coffees. Wow, that is actually unreal. I cannot recommend that enough.
Amazing. Same vibe. It was like pistachio.
Whoa. I love that. See, this is when I'm like, I know I have like clothing issues because these feel like maybe too slippy, these socks. Like I'm like, I need to have the socks that feel right. I used to have such an issue as a kid, like clothing and the way that it would feel on my body. So Red Bull, appreciate the socks. I just don't want any variable right now. Okay, I'm kind of getting nervous. It's time. Okay, now it's getting real. There's people here. Hello.
Come in. We're the Red
We're
Bull
competing.
creators.
Yeah. Yes, we're all signed, sent over.
Appreciative you ask. Everyone else just walks in like
Oh my god,
heathens.
no.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Oh, of course.
Of course.
Oh, I need helmet, I need mouth guard, I need the full
This is hilarious.
sitch. Oh, I don't like that there's viewers here. I don't like that people can see this. This is so jokes. What is happening? I hope my makeup is waterproof.
This is hilarious.
This is so nuts. Okay, at least it's not like a stand of spectators. This feels a bit more reasonable. Oh, what's going on down there? Have they been in the water yet? Okay, they're giving us pants so we don't scrape our legs. Oh, I guess these might be okay. This makes me want to gag. My bite is so wide that this actually hurts. I'm drooling. What I eat today? I know, it is kind of distracting. Okay, behind the scenes, there's a million GoPros, walkies. This is a full production here. It's no joke. Okay, holy fuck, I'm gonna eat shit. Wait, I like these guys on this boat just chilling, watching. That's my dream. Guys, I'm a beauty guru. I shouldn't be doing this shit. Actually, I kind of love it, but... That was so good. You were so close. I knew I had no chances. Like, I've got to just send it. And then... close. Yeah, I couldn't keep up. Uh-oh. What I eat in a day, Victoria Harbor. I ingested some ocean water. Salty. Okay, we have showered. Now it's time for the seaplane. We're getting like, what, an overview of the course, I guess? Technically? Oh, no way. Oh, okay. I think we have a journey ahead. And then we do have the night off, which is nice, but I think we're gonna all see what the vibe is, maybe do dinner. I still feel good. I don't know how I'm still alive going on adrenaline, but living the best life right now. Okay, Red Bull is giving us wings officially. Let's get in the air. Let's go. So there's a floating spa here. Look at how sick that looks. What? Okay, so I made it back to Be Love. I didn't realize they had an outdoor patio. I didn't even see this last night. I just ordered, this is like a green curry situation. It sounds very warming. I'm actually so hungry. It's like 8 o'clock now, and we haven't had food since like noon. So all the activity, all the adrenaline, I am definitely hungry. The seaplane was so fun. We were all talking about maybe doing a dinner after because we kind of had a free night. But once we all finished the plane ride, we were all kind of yawning and tired. And I think the jet lag is finally catching up. And I'm like, I just need to be nonverbal and just sit in silence and eat my food. So I was like, guys, love you all. Bye. I know I have like a bit of work I have to do before bed too, and I just want to have a nice full sleep. Okay, let me show you. I don't even know what is in this. You know what? Maybe I can find in the menu. This is the greens bowl. Coconut green Thai curry, brown rice, cabbage, broccoli, red onion, seasonal vegetable, cilantro, toasted sesame. I'm so hungry. Oh, hot. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna let this cool for a minute. I'm gonna let it cool. Okay, I needed a little hit of protein, a little tempeh. This will heal all. Okay, and dessert is a salted caramel bar. I needed a little sweet treat. I feel wiped. I think everything is catching up to me now, but it's good. I've got like a chill morning tomorrow morning. There's actually like a vegan, what was it called? Was it called Fern? A vegan like pastry breakfast brunch spot. It's about like a 30-minute walk away, but I think I'm gonna go on a little morning walk and check that out to try something new. Bonus breakfast content. I'm at Fern Cafe. I got a breakfast sandwich because whenever that's on the menu, I have to. Whoa, that looks amazing. Maple latte. Oh, the food scene is good here. And then tomorrow we get to watch the actual, I thought Red Bull athletes were running it, but apparently people from the public could sign up. So I think that actually makes it even funnier. So we have, I think there's a boat that we get to sit on to view it and be like, I don't know. It's gonna be so fun. I'll be obviously sharing everything over on my Instagram and TikTok. So follow me at Jaclyn Forbes if you don't. But it's gonna be really fun. So cool sometimes the things that I get to do. And it lets me explore new cities, try new vegan restaurants. Like, I really am so blessed. I'm very lucky. Oh, that's good. There's like walnuts inside, in like the best way. It was so funny when I was here last night. I think one, I was like emotional because I had been up for 24 hours, so I was just like a bit tired. But it was so funny. There was something about the salad that I ate yesterday. It reminded me of like the raw vegan era in like 2014, 2015, when I was first going vegan and discovering all these new restaurants. There was just something about the vibe of the salad, like not in a bad way, just like I can't explain it. And it just made me like go back to that time. And I was thinking about, that was the time when I moved to Toronto, that era, living with my parents, and it just made me very emotional. I can't explain it. I feel very blessed to have been able to be vegan for 12 years, going on 13. That's actually crazy. Okay, I'm done speaking. This is where the video ends. Thank you for watching. Bye.